Hi everyone, I'm Heather. Welcome to Strings and Threads, streaming to you from my Dungeon of Dreams. Join me in the magical world of crochet, knitting, and all things yarn. If you're a fellow yarn enthusiast, hit that subscribe button and become part of our creative journey. Let's dive into today's project. Welcome to the video tutorial for the tall alternate stitch. So for this stitch, you can use any kind of yarn and hook to go with it. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just using a piece of scrap yarn. I'm not 100% sure what this is, but this feels to be about a 4-weight, medium weight yarn, and I'm going to use an H or a 5 millimeter crochet hook. Okay, so you chain to start, and you chain an odd number and then +1 for the foundation row. You can see my hair gets into everything. I apologize. There we go. So for the sake of the tutorial, I'm just going to make a small swatch. So we'll chain 9, and then I'll add one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then one more. Okay, for the first row, row 1, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then each chain across. So we should end up with 9 stitches at the end. Since this is only 9, we'll just go through them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, row 2, we're going to turn. We're going to chain 1. We're going to single crochet in the first stitch, and then we're going to do the extended single crochet in the next stitch. An extended single crochet is where you go in and you draw up a loop just like you normally would for a single crochet, and then you yarn over. Instead of going through both loops, you just go through one, and then you yarn over and go through both. It's kind of like a double crochet without the extra length there. And then we're going to single crochet in the next stitch, and then we're going to do an extended single crochet in the next. So for the rest of the row here, we're just going to alternate between single crochets and then extended single crochets. Single crochet, and we'll talk through the last extended one in this row. So extended single crochet, just go through one loop and then go through both, and then in the last stitch we're going to just put a single crochet. For row 3, we'll turn, and then you're going to chain 1, and then just single crochet in each stitch across. So rather than watching me single crochet all the way across, let's pause and finish our row and then come back again. This is row 3. All right, this will be for row 4. We're going to turn and then chain 1. We're going to put a single crochet in the first 2 stitches, and then an extended single crochet in the third stitch, and then a single crochet in the next. We're going to alternate now between single crochets and extended single crochets. But at the end, I want to make sure I show you, because we're going to end in just a regular single crochet and then because the pattern ends with a single crochet in the second to last stitch. So you're going to have a single crochet in the second to last stitch as well as the last stitch. All right, and this is row 5. We're going to turn, chain 1, and then just put 1 single crochet in each stitch across. So I've shown you the whole pattern. The whole pattern now would be to go back and repeat rows 2 through 5 until it's the length that you want it to be. If you need to go back and double check what each of them are, I have them bookmarked in my description, so you can go back there and find exactly which row you need. So I'm going to repeat rows 2 through 5 for a few rows, and then I'll come back and show you how that looks. And you can just do as many of the repeat as you would like for your project then. Here's how the tall alternate stitch looks a few rows later. What are you planning on making with this? I would love to hear all about it. Let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please feel free to subscribe. It's free and it helps my channel out. Thank you so much. Have a good day.